Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a massive and frankly alarming shift happening in the world of Medicare. If you or a loved one rely on Medicare for prescription drugs, this is a video you absolutely cannot afford to skip. We're talking about the near collapse of the Medicare Part D market, and I'm going to break down exactly what this means for your wallet and your health in 2026 and beyond. Let's rewind a bit. When Part D started back in 2006, it was a bustling marketplace. You had over 50 different insurance companies competing for your business, which meant more choices and better prices. Fast forward to today, and the landscape is unrecognizable. In 2024, only 11 national companies were left. By 2025, that number dropped to 7. And now, as we head into 2026, we're down to just 5. That's a staggering 90% drop in insurers. So the market hasn't just shrunk, it's effectively collapsed, leaving just a handful of big players to carry the entire program. So, why is this happening? It's a perfect storm. Skyrocketing drug prices, complex new regulations like the Inflation Reduction Act, and the massive wave of baby boomers entering Medicare have all put immense pressure on insurers. The financial risks became too high for most companies, so they simply packed up and left. But what does this mean for you, the consumer? Let's get into the 5 major impacts. First, your costs are changing, and not always for the better. The good news for 2026 is a new $2,100 annual cap on what you'll pay out of pocket for covered drugs. This is a huge help for those on expensive medications. However, your monthly premiums don't count toward this cap, and they are soaring. We're seeing plans jump by $30, $40, even $50 a month compared to 2025. That adds up to hundreds of extra dollars a year. These days, a plan under $45 a month is considered a bargain, some plans costing over $170. Second, the list of drugs each plan covers the formulary is getting tighter. To keep costs down, plans are becoming more restrictive. If your specific medication isn't on your plan's formulary, you're stuck paying 100% of the price. You can ask for an exception, but there's no guarantee it will be approved. This makes it absolutely critical to verify that all of your prescriptions are covered before you enroll in any plan. Third, let's talk about drug tiers. Plans group medications into tiers. It's from low-cost preferred generics in Tier 1 to expensive specialty drugs in Tier 5. The higher the tier, the more you pay. And here's a key change for 2026. Many plans are switching from flat copays to percentage-based coinsurance, especially for higher-tier drugs. A 25% coinsurance on a $1,000 drug is a lot more painful than a fixed $50 copay. Always read your annual notice of change letter to see if your drugs have been moved to a more expensive tier. Fourth, deductibles are on the rise. The maximum deductible is increasing to $615 in 2026, and most plans will charge the full amount. Remember, your deductible and your out-of-pocket maximum both reset to 0 every January. So be prepared for higher costs at the beginning of each year until you meet those limits. Finally, and this one is a big deal, it's getting harder to find professional help. Most insurance companies have stopped paying commissions to agents for selling standalone Part D plans because of Medicare rules. Licensed agents who are paid commission for any Medicare product coup and legally charge you a separate fee for advice. The result? Many agents have stopped offering drug plan reviews altogether. So where can you turn? You can use non-licensed, flat-fee Medicare advisors or contact your local SHIP office. That's the State Health Insurance Assistance Program. They offer free, unbiased help. Some people also use discount cards like GoodRx, which can be useful, but remember, payments made through these programs do not count toward your Part D deductible or out-of-pocket max. So, to wrap this up, the Part D market is in turmoil. It's with fewer choices and rising costs. It's more important than ever to be a savvy consumer. The single best thing you can do is use the official Plan Finder tool on Medicare. Gov every single year during open enrollment, compare your options, double-check that your drugs and pharmacies are covered, and budget for higher premiums and deductibles. The system is strained, but with careful planning, you can still find the coverage you need. I know that was a lot of information, but it's crucial to understand these changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more essential Medicare updates. Thanks for watching, and stay informed.